Hi everyone, welcome to The Grace Life. So in this video today, we have a collaboration and it's called the 12 Days of Christmas Countdown by the Queens of Christmas Holiday Decor Club. And that's hosted by Glam Elegant Living. So now the host of this collab, like I said, is Lady Allie from Glam Elegant Living. And then the co-hostesses I'm going to be listing below in the description box along with the playlist. So make sure and head on over there, subscribe to our channels, full watch the videos, and head on over to that playlist so that we can get as many ideas as we can as the holiday approaches. Okay, so jumping into the video. Here you see me pulling out some ornaments that I hadn't seen before, and I thought those were beautiful. Here we have a bless sign, and it does have a light in the back, so this is really nice. I'm going to be using this for a DIY. And now here are the other ornaments. It's almost the same thing, except these have little embellishments all around them. So I bought the plain ones, and then I bought these. They look like snowballs. Okay, so now here we have some new bling stickers at the Dollar Tree. I am so excited about these. I could not wait to show you this video. So I'm going to show you as much as I can, and I'm going to try to go slow so you can see the details. So now I did go in and stock up quite a bit on the wooden plaques that they have. So if you notice that this truck here doesn't have anything in the back, which is really good because we can interchange this with any holiday season. So I got 2 of those. So now the next 2 wooden items, they're pretty nice size, they're round, and these are relatively new to my Dollar Tree. So like I said, I grabbed 2 of those. Okay, so now here you're going to see that I have a handful of these maple leaf cutouts that the Dollar Tree had. So I have a DIY in mind for this, and that's why I have them. So you could do so much with these beautiful floral clips that the Dollar Tree carries. So I had to grab one of the neutral ones for a Glam decor piece. Now we head on over to these bottle brush trees. So I grabbed those in every color. So I'm going to start pulling out a lot of the wooden ornaments, but also a lot of these little wooden pieces that you can use to embellish. And they even had it in the gingerbread men. So I think I bought the truck with the Christmas tree in the back and a couple of other things. I'm just really excited and I can't think of anything right now. So now the little mini bottle brush trees that comes in a 6-pack, I think it is. I'm not positive. Those came in gold, white, green, silver. I mean, I was just so happy I grabbed a pack of each. Now, isn't this just so adorable? So they had the iridescent church, and that also had the tea light in it. So this is absolutely beautiful. I should have grabbed more than one, but this is awesome. So I did stock up on some ribbon, and so here is the silver one. I also grabbed a gold one, I believe, and I also kind of stocked up on the buffalo check one. I love that, and some jute twine. So that's what I'm showing you here. So after I finish showing you what I have in the bag, I am going to bring the camera in and take a closer look so that you can see everything up close. Now, what I did want to do is take a moment and thank the host and the co-host for this collaboration. I really enjoyed it, and I'm having a great time. So make sure and follow along with us. So I realized after I showed you all of the ribbon that I had some more stickers. Is that not awesome or what? So let me just show them to you again. Okay, so here we also have some snowflakes that I found at the Dollar Tree in 2 different kinds of style. I thought that was a neat buy. So now, if you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys.